Cartoon Network. Yes, Kuya, Cartoon Network. Okay, here's the question. Ito ay sa Tom and Jerry. Ito ay ginagawa ni Tom para madakip si Jerry. Okay? Ginagawa ni Tom para madakip si Jerry. Ginagawa ni Tom para madakip si Jerry. And shout! Okay! The answer is trap. Congratulations, 1 point for our group 2. Ayan. So you gotta leave, what's that? You just wait on trap. Huh? Minus that.
Tarp.
Wrong spelling. Ano po? Wrong spelling siya. Wrong spelling daw. Why? Okay, it's okay. Nakuha naman po nila. Ayan, let's consider for that one. And let's consider for that one is an example po. Okay, ayan. Now this time for real. For the next question, here we go. Ginagawa natin ito bago kumain o bago matulog. Okay? We usually do this one before we play. Okay. Sino muna nakakuha? Mami, sino po ba? Group A, Group B.